Hey guys, this is Brennan, and I know you see the gap up. This is insane, but I'm back with another trading video. Let's get into it. It's 11:30, but there are still plays to be made. We're looking at SPY right here on the 15-minute. Let's zoom out. 15-minute is not good enough. No, we're not. We're not seeing everything that happened in its full scale. But we're on the 4 hour right now. We gotta. Let me erase this because this looks so dysfunctional. But yeah, SPY gapped up a calm $30. Just 30. Oh, maybe like $25 from Friday's close. Just cause of not just cause of there's been talks of a trade deal between China. I don't know if it's fully been confirmed and whatnot. But yeah, there's been talks of confirmation between trade deals of China. So SPY gapped up. And by the way, this is not financial advice. And gapped 25 points up. And now we're here in the thick of it. But so let me turn on my not even my indicators, but yeah, so SPY is currently here. I have a supply zone. A supply zone. This is from March 25th. This is crazy. March 25th. This is a supply zone for March 25th. And right now I have SPY. SPY is trading currently like right under the VWAP. Right under the VWAP. This is my VWAP. SPY is currently trading like right under. It seems like it doesn't have enough volatility to push past. But at the same time, it doesn't seem like sellers are pushing it past this demand. As of now, I do think we're slightly bearish. We may see a little bit more of a dip. Or consolidation under the VWAP, maybe. And if it's not able to completely sell, if sellers are not able to take it below this supply of 576, I eventually see us pushing back up towards 583, or maybe just 580 to back open, consolidating there a little bit and then pushing back to 583. But I could also see this. I do think it may correct a little bit more to the downside and potentially go around. These dotted lines are the supplies and demands I marked out using Fibonacci scale, just measuring it. I used the Friday night close. Basically, I used Friday night close or Friday night aftermarket close because that was the last point, and I tried where the gap started. So these are basically what these points are. But and like I said, I could see SPY possibly correcting because it doesn't seem like it's making enough volume to push out of this VWAP or push past it. But see potentially correcting, maybe coming to this demand here and then bouncing here. I would like to see like a head and shoulders pattern or something like that. I would really like to get into a long-term call again here. Just hold it maybe for the rest of the week, maybe 2 weeks if the valuation looks right on the contracts. And, just up from there. So I'd really like to enter here. I'd really like it to keep going down. And what else could I see? I mean, if it does manage to break past the VWAP and probably hold, just that would be very bearish. I truly, even if there's downside, I only see upturn in the upside in the near future. So these are what I would look at. That's what I'm looking for in the market, honestly. Let's look at NVIDIA and Apple real quick. NVIDIA is shooting up. It jumped up $5 off of the news as well. Sure, because the NVIDIA chips, 10%. I think China China is tariffing America 10%, and America is tariffing China 30%. But that must do, that's a lot better than what we were at before. I'm pretty sure it was at like 100 for the U.S., and I can't even imagine what it was for China. But yeah, enough said, enough rambling. But yeah, it looks like it's shooting up. I expect it to maybe hold, consolidate in here before pushing up and breaking past and going to my supply at 123. If it cannot hold this VWAP, let's say it consolidates over here and goes below, I would see it probably not going any lower than it has, or not that far lower. Maybe this could make a big double inverse double top or something, and then continue back up. I'm very bullish. Apple, let's do this quickly. Don't want to make this too long. What do I see? I see it can't hold over. This is an open. I don't know if this is the weekly or monthly open, but this is an open. But let's see if it's able to hold above the open. If so, we expect it to go to 211, maybe 212. If not, we expect it to start heading back down towards the body of the gap open, or basically where the gap starts, to like 205. Boom, boom, boom. But yep, that's all we have today. You should look at market internals as well, and don't rush a trade. Like, after a gap like this, a trade will come. Like, don't rush it. Have a good one.